In this example, I have secant to the power of 4x equals to 1 plus 2 times tangent squared x plus tan to the power of 4x. We already know secant to the power of 2x will be equal to 1 plus tan squared x. That's what we proved already. So I can start from the right hand side. So instead of 1, here I have 1. Instead of tan squared, I write secant squared x minus 1. And then instead of tan to the power of 4, I can write secant squared x minus 1 to the power of 2. Then I have 1 plus 2 secant squared x minus 2 plus secant to the power of 4x plus 1 minus 2 secant squared x. Then these two cancel out. These two will cancel with this one. So what we have is just secant to the power of 4x. So as you see here, is exactly what we have on the left hand side.